Hello and welcome. Today I will demonstrate you how to create a little lottery game. So you have to guess a number, and if your guess is right, then you will receive the prize money. So in this case, the game costs 50 gold, and if you play one digit, you can win 400 gold. And if you play two digits, you can win 4,800 gold. So, simply to demonstrate it, you can see I can choose a number. So, where I paid 50 gold, I can choose a number. And afterwards it tells you what your number was and what the number to win was. And if you lost or win. So I can go on with number 3, and as you can see, I won 400 gold, and yeah, so if the number is the same, you win the money. Sorry for the interruption, but as you can see, even though it's in German, most people aren't subscribed to my channel who watch my videos, so it really is only a click, and it helps me a lot to keep this stuff here going, so I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And this is pretty easy to set up. So first we need some guy or someone so you can play the lottery. I simply choose this guy. And we can call this one lottery. Afterwards we can check if a player has enough gold. So we check if he has more than 50 gold in this case. And we also need an else branch. So first we can do the else branch. So we can say one game costs 50 gold and come back, if you have enough gold. So now we have a case for if we don't have enough money. That's already set up now. The second thing we need to do, or to get the lottery game started, we can show a simple text and say, hey, do you want to guess a number? And ask how many digits the player wants to play. I have only selected 2 digits, 1 or 2 digits, because everything else will be, yeah, I don't know. If you have 3 digits and have to guess one of it, this is a chance from 1 to 1000. So yeah, will be pretty hard to guess that number, but of course you can extend it and use it if you like. So the first thing, the next thing we need to do here is to make a choice, and first one is 1 digit, the second one is 2 digits, and the last option will be don't play. So as cancel, we choose the third choice, so we don't want to play, and now we can hit OK, and we can start the game. So first we need to decrease the gold by 50 or whatever you like, and afterwards we use the input number command, and we give this a name, and we can call it selected digits. So this will be the selection of a player, and since we play with 1 digit, we hit input the 1 here and hit OK. And afterwards we generate a new digit. So this is our selection. The next thing that needs to be created is our generated digits. So there will be a random number from 0 to 9. So we have 10 cases, so the chance is 1 to 10. And we can hit OK. And afterwards we simply need to check if our variables match. So if our selected digits are the same as the generated digits, and we create an else branch. So if our digits and the generated digits are the same, we won the game. So we can type in congratulations, you won 400 gold. And now we can show the player the numbers. So the selected number is stored in variable number 1 in my case, and the generated number is stored in variable number 2. Now we can hit OK. We can also change the choices up a bit. So we can type in the amount of gold which we can win. So the price is 400G, and here the price is 4800G. So now the player knows what he's winning. So now we can go back here again. And since this is all we need to do, we can simply, our player won, so we can increase it by 400 gold. And in the else case, that means, so if the digits are not the same, so if the selected digits are different from the generated digits, that means we lost. So we can also show a text and say you lost, and also display our numbers. So your number was variable with the number 1, and the number to win was the variable with the number 2, and so our player knows why he lost. So we can simply hit OK and test it out. One thing I forgot. Just for the testing purposes, I will give our player some gold in the beginning. So he has 500 gold now if he talks to this guy. So we can start play. And now we ask if you want to guess a number. We hit 1 digit. Now we can test it out. Number 4. Then we lost because the number was number 6. We hit 4 again. Number to win was 1. And now you see we matched the generated number, so we won 400 gold. And as you can see here, yeah, it's a bit messed up because we get, whenever we talk to this guy, we get some money, but it worked. So for the next selection, you can simply copy everything. So here's the 1-digit section. So we go all the way down to here, hit Shift. Or keep it pressed. Click here, and now you can press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and paste it under the 2 digits case. So we need to change here our input number to 2 digits and change our prize money to 4,800 or whatever you like them to win. And now we can also play with 2 numbers. So, but this is so if you play with 2 digits, you can see now I can guess, and I won't test this until I win, since it's a chance from 1 to 100, so this would take a while to win here. But the system is working, and now you can play the lottery with 1 or 2 digits, and I hope you enjoyed it and have fun with this little mini game.